This induction cooker was repaired a few days ago. At that time the fault was also no response after powering on. The customer said that after repair, when using it for 3 to 5 minutes, there was a popping sound and then no response. Finally, the customer gave up on it, so I took it back. So let's see what exactly caused the fuse to burn repeatedly this time. After disassembling, I measured the fuse again and it was burnt again. I measured the 2 rectifier tubes replaced last time and they were normal, which indicates that this time the cause was not a short circuit at the previously repaired spot. Then I turned the main board over and measured the power transistors again. Globally there are 2 groups, both had breakdown and short circuits. The power transistors were all shorted. The power transistor breakdown was likely due to the 300V filtering capacitor being open circuit, cracked and failed, which can cause transistor breakdown. Also, some transistors in the driving section had soft breakdown or complete breakdown. Also, cold soldered joints on the main board's contacts and the line coil terminals can cause the power transistors to break down. From these observations, the global power transistor measurements are indeed. Globally, 2 transistors had already broken down, and the power transistors and several thousand others had all broken down. It is necessary to check the 300V filtering capacitor, this 5-dimensional method capacitor. The measurements showed it was good 4.8 and the label says 5 volts, which is normal. Measuring the 3 terminals of the power transistors on the main board showed no short circuit, and the earphone transistor was also not broken. The driving section's 3 transistors were all normal. Next, we replaced the global power transistors with new ones. Then we check to see if it still plans to short circuit and blow the fuse, and replace the fuse with a new one. This shows that the power transistor breakdown caused the fuse to blow this time due to faulty transistors. Why did the 2 global transistor groups suffer breakdown? It was because of poor contact on the main board causing soft faults. After replacing with new ones and testing, a new fault appeared: intermittent heating. We suspected that the adjustable resistor was damaged. This is a new 500 ohm resistor. Measuring the original adjustable resistor on the far end showed it was already open circuit. After desoldering and measuring again, it was confirmed open circuit. We replaced it with a new one, tested the machine, and everything was okay. You can follow Lao Zhao for more repair knowledge.